Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're back again with another video in the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More series, okay? So we're going to be using the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack, as well as the cards and envelopes to create our projects today. But of course, before we get started, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First up is Earn to Redeem. So from July 6th to the 31st, when you shop with me and you spend at least $50 before shipping and tax, you can earn a $5 coupon from Stampin' Up and redeem it in August towards product, okay? So that's for every $50. So if you spend $150, you're gonna get three $5 coupons, okay? And you can redeem them all at the same time, just in case you're wondering. Lastly, we have our host code. This is the July 2023 host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. However, if you spend $60 or more, but under $150 before shipping and tax, and you use this host code, I will be sending you a Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack for free, okay? So, and that's only one per customer during this promotion, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So we're going to be making 2 cards again. So we have our card base here from the cards and envelope, and 3 cards from the card pack, okay? So I am going to start by punching. I'm going to use the decorative circle punch, and I'm going to punch out our sentiment here. Let me see. That looks pretty good. Okay. Next, we are going to take this piece and cut it to 2x4. So it's already 3x4. So we're going to cut it down to 2 inches. So let me get my paper trimmer here. And we're going to cut this to 2 inches. Oh, look at that. That is perfect to use on another card. So now we have this. And then we're just going to put everything together. So first thing I'm going to do is get my liquid glue. I love this Hip Hip Hooray on this side too, but you know, you have to choose. I could have used the designer series paper because this design is in the paper, but I'm trying to use just the card pack. So we're going to put that on our card base going this way. Look at that. That's cute too. See, that's what I'm saying. These cards, that's a card right there by itself. You just put that on something and it already has the sentiment and everything. Then we're going to put this here like that. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're going to pop this up. I'm always overusing dimensionals. Oh, gosh. Uh-oh. Stay. Okay. We're going to pop this up right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Come on. I'm trying to make these cards quick and easy. So this, I want it to be about right here. Then we're going to get a sticker from our sticker sheet here. We're going to get the way to go. So it's going to say you did it, way to go. So I want to put a little piece of the dimensional on this end here, because we're gonna have it coming off like that. Okay, so where's our gems? We're going to get some of these Tinsel Gems 4-pack. Get our Take Your Pick tool. And let's put some gems on here. So I think I'm going to use, I want to use a variety today. Why not? There's blue. Let's get a big blue one. Out right there. No. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that is our first card done. So let's go to the second card. Let's move that to the side. Get all of our stuff. So for the second card, I've done some cutting already. So let's see. So these are the 3 cards from the card pack that we're going to be using. So let's see what we're going to do. I want to cut this down to 2 by 4. So it's 4 inches this way. So I need to cut it to this way, right? No, this way. 2 by 4. Oh my goodness. So let's cut this at 2 inches. Like this. Put this to the side. That'll be scraps. And this is gonna get punched out. We're gonna punch a circle out of this using the 2 3/8 inch circle punch. And I'm gonna try to save that, so we're gonna punch on this end. Just like that. Put that with our scraps. And then we are going to cut this down to 3 by 1.5. So it's already 3 inches going this way. So we're going to cut it down to 1.5 this way. So let's see here. I want to start. I have to turn this way so I can see where our sentiment ends. So when I said 1.5. So let's go to 1.5. And we can use this on something else, maybe. Okay. So now, this is the second to largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies in Pretty Peacock. This is 2 1/8 by 4 1/4, and this is 3 1/8 by 1 5/8. Okay, so we're gonna do some layering. We're gonna layer this onto this piece here. Should be just an 1/8 inch border. We're gonna layer this onto this. Let's make sure, yep, I cut it right. Come on, glue. Don't act up in front of company. Oop. Let's sit this on here. I need to lift it up. It's kind of dark. Okay. We have that. And then we're going to take this. We're going to put it on here. Pop this circle on that circle to give it a little border. I think I want it this way. Yes, this way. I'm trying to remember. I've been designing cards and I have to remember what I did. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. Whoop, go up a little bit and over. Try to get an even border. Ooh, okay. We're gonna do that. Do I want these lines like this? I want them like that, I think. Do I want to pop that up? We're going to put this down, up, in the middle. I think in the middle. Okay. So we'll do this one flat. Just like this. And we'll pop this one up on dimensionals. So let's get our dimensional edges here. We're going to use this. Nothing's going to waste. Come over just a bit. I'll just put that there. We'll use all of them. Okay, now let's take off our backings. And that's that. And we're gonna put this. I don't want it down here because it looks, oh, if I put it over here, instead of like this, yeah, oh, that is better. Maybe that's what I had in mind the whole time anyway. Is that straight? No. Oh. Okay. So let's see. Do we want some decorations on here? Some balloons maybe? No, I don't think I want any stickers on this one. I think I'm just going to put our gems on. Okay, so let's put on our gems. And we'll use this, the Pretty Peacock Scents. That's the color that we have for all of our layers. Where'd it go? Come on. There, just like that. Quick and simple cards, right? Let's get the other one. Aren't these cute? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.